Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable lecturer, honorable all the viewers this video. Before I will say thank you for you give me chance to present about product development design. Now I representative group 7 consisting Winta, Dina, Syaputri, 2 Adriana Fitriyani, 3 Fadhil, Razaq, Alhadi, 4 Aulia, Ramadan, Jassikar, and 5 me Ifan Arenza. Now I will present about result discussed from group 7. And hello everyone, we are start the present result discussed group 7 is the concept of generation. We all know the importance of developing the selection product. For the reason for the importance of product development in bags include the following. One, increase add value to bag product. We all know add value more important a product. Add value can be unique and can be make positive impact for our product. So increase add value to bag product. This aims to increase product innovation by changing the shape of the bag and the material of the bag. 2. Eliminating the shortcoming that exists in the bag. And 3. Attracting the attention and bringing interest of every customer to use the bag customer desires. And we are next discuss about identification of product needs. Hello everyone, we are show more data respondent in this result discussed. Implementation of product needs identification is carried out using G-form. One result discussed can show the data when we ask to respondent, have you ever booked back? And more customers choose yes at percentage 92.3%. And then we are next discuss about the A respondents computation. A respondent show 100% respondent between age 19 until 23. And next, for the gender, the more respondent if a woman, that is percentage 61.5%. Next, we will show there are also several products that determine student preferred books. For example, size, brand, price, quality, comfort, material, function, style, and all others. Based on the data, we are now the result discussed. Size is more important factor that determines student prefer book bags. Size have 92.3%. So of course the respondent can choose the bag from the size. And next maybe brand, price, quality, comfort, material, function, and all others. Based on the result of the questionnaire, it was found that respondents were more interested in using a bag with a size that was neither too big nor too small. That's so important, and that's the result data. Based on the result of the questionnaire, it was found that respondents were more interested in using it with size that were neither too big nor too small. Additional features such as waterproof, there is charger, this is USB port, sturdy, place to put the rain cover bag, has several partitions with zippers and all others. Finally, students prefer a medium price between of 100,000 until 300,000 by meeting the criteria for the bag factor that has been mentioned above. So the next discuss can next to my friend. Thank you.
Next, based on the result of the questionnaire, it was found that respondents were more interested in using bags with size were neither too big nor too small. Additional features such as a waterproof, there is a charger, there is a USB port, sturdy, place to put the rain cover bag, has several partition, and zipper. Next is identification of problem. The first is the most of dominant factor in the use of bag among students are size, quality, style, material, and function. The size of the book bag is medium, require a bag that has a lot of space, a bag with a dark dominant color, features, rain resistant, sturdy or strong, and available a place to put a rain cover bag, and the rain price is 100,000 to 299,000 rupiah. And our group have a 3 model. The model 1 is has a specification. weight 800 gram. Type of zipper is this one, capacity 21 liter. Big material is bound one and have 5 pockets. The first is in the front pocket. The second is full laptop. The third full paper, and the fourth is put a small item, and the fifth or the last to put the bag protector when it rains on the bottom of the bag. And the color is dark, water resistant, and have a price 285,000 rupiah. And the next is model 2, have a specification 600 gram. Type of zipper is zipper MCO, capacity 19 liter, and material corduroy nylon. And the partition has a 5 pocket too, like model 1. The color is dark color too, water resistant, strong, and has a price 215,000 rupiah. And the last is model 3. Weight is 500 gram. Type of zipper is plastic, capacity 18 liter. Bag material is ringstabalan and have a 5 pocket too. And color is dominant dark color, and water resistant. Have a price 214,000 rupiah.
Okay, this is about concept of formulation. As you can see, we have 4 categories: heavy, zipper type, zipper quality, and capacity. On concept 1, we have 800 gram on heavy. Zipper type is Viceland zipper. Zipper quality is low and capacity is 21 liters. On concept 2, we have heavy is 600 gram. Zipper type is zipper Armco. Zipper quality is strong and capacity is 18 liters. On concept 3, we have heavy 500 gram. Zipper type is plastic zipper. Zipper quality is currently and capacity is 18 liters. Next is about concept screening. The first step in screening is to determine the criteria for comparison of alternative concept. As you can see, we have 5 criteria: heavy, zipper type, zipper quality, capacity, and function. After that, each concept is given rating minus, 0, and plus. After we give the rating, we give the ranking. As you can see, for concept 3 is the first, concept 2 is the second, and concept 1 is the third. This is based on total score. So after that, concept scoring to assess the professor select concept. Based on table, beside the result of the concept score obtained is the third concept, which is use a plastic zipper type and has a capacity of 18 liters. This is based on table beside on total score. We, as you can see, on concept 3 we have 11.4. And concept 2 have 11. So the best concept is concept 3. Concept testing is done by conducting interview with respondent who fill out from the idea generation. The response is design of the bag, which is generally has similarity name, having separate pocket based on selection of previous concept. The select model is the third model. Based on the interview conduct, it was found that 21 out of 26 respondents said that they like product concept. Based on the result of this concept testing, it is concluded that the product concept is according by test in kept in.
Okay, ma'am, I will continue our presentation. The next slide is DFE, or design for environment. Each type of fabric has different characteristics, including this type of fabric material that you need to know. 1, corduroy and not see-through material. 2, fabric fiber is thick and strong. 3, fabric is hard. 4, rocks texture. 5, plan or waterproof. And the last 6, light. Next slide is DFE. This material is used as basic material and does not cause pollution to the environment. This is because this material is classified as safe. In the other words, it does not have a bad effect on the environment if the waste from the manufacturing process can be processed or used properly. Selection of a good strategy to reduce the impact that occurs can and must be wise in doing so. For example, if waste processing result as disposed of carelessly into the environment, it will have an impact on the environment. But if waste can be used or processed into something useful, then it is minimized. Then the ED strategy, the chosen one, is to process the waste from processing into something then that can be used. Next slide. The design concept of the bag that relies using cordura material. This fabric applies a pool coating twice combined with a water repellent coating with abrasion resistance. As a result, can withstand very well against rains. Benefit from this highly durable and water-resistant material, it is perfect for backpacks and luggage, even for military calibers. This bag material is environmentally friendly material because there is no plastic mixture, the basic ingredient of the bag. And in the process of sending this finished product to the customer's hand, it's also used small cardboard boxes. The impact obtained from the shipping process is that people are not wise in the processing packaging waste.
The next is design for manufacturing or DFM. The design is for manufacturing process that provide instruction of interest that can inform the cost of manufacturing. Of course, this cost is determined in the economic success of various products. The following is at the right side is the DFM method. The next is step DFM. The one is first is estimating manufacturing costs. The second is reduce component costs. The third, reducing assembly costs. The fourth, reduce production support costs. And last is considering the influence of DFM decision and on other factors. Next is house of quality. House quality is matrix diagram used to see the relationship between consumer desire and the company or ability product. The following is at the bottom is the design of the house of quality. Last is conclusion. The conclusion is obtained by after conducting the research are as follow. The one is bag are one of the product that are generally needed by student. Therefore, it needs to be done product planning and development to produce product needed by consumer. The second is consumer need can be identified by conducting a survey of the target market. The result is obtained are overall. The average student want a bag with a lot bulkhead, good material, durable, waterproof, and has a large enough capacity. The third is the consumer needs that have been obtained are then compiled with product specifications that are in accordance with a consumer need. So several alternative models are arranged and then a concept selection is carried out to determine the best concept to be selected. The last is the product that have been selected are then resurfaced to consumer whether the selected concept is feasible and it accordance with the wishes of consumer. Next can be done prototyping. I think that's all our group can presentation. Thanks for your attention. Goodbye and good luck.